Alright, so I just got done editing this video. Yeah, this video was not as expecting as how it was. Alright, this video didn't take me that long to edit, but the things in this video that you're about to see is something you've never seen before. In fact, this video, actually, one of the alerts caught me by surprise, and that was a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. Okay, and the destructive severe thunderstorm warning is very rare, alright? I have not gotten a destructive severe thunderstorm warning since last year. And the fact that this destructive severe thunderstorm warning occurred in a marginal just makes this video fucking insane. So, yeah. So, yeah, enjoy this compilation of alerts. Because most of the alerts in this compilation are tagged with either the destructive or considerable warning. Alright? Enjoy. Hello!
Central Goodyear County in southeastern Minnesota. Central Rice County in south central
Hello, Lacrosse.
until 4 p.m. At 3:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Farmington, or 12 miles northeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm.
Oh my god!
Northwest Goodyear.
Destructive!
Rice County's expected hazard.
Destructive! Destructive! Shut up, Prince!
Windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Cannon Falls around 3:35 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Northfield.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
On the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Goodyear, Minnesota.
Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god.
WXK 41 in Rochester. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Pierce County, southeastern St. Croix County, until 4 p.m. At 3:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Baldwin, or 12 miles east of River Falls, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts sending long ball-sized hail.
That was considerable.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Woodville around 3:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Elmwood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following counties in Wisconsin: Pierce and St. Croix. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect. In the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Steele County in South central Minnesota, southwestern Gooding County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Rice County in south central Northfield, moving south at 25 miles. At 4 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northstrand, or 10 miles southeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. This severe thunderstorm will be near, canning around 4:15 p.m. This severe thunderstorm will be near, canning around 4:15 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm County, Longview, Minnesota. A severe thunderstorm was located over Northstrand, or 10 miles southeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Concord around 4:35 p.m. Claremont around 4:50 p.m. Blooming Prairie around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Concord, Eden, County Road 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Concord, Eden, County Roads 5 and 6, Waukegan, Highway 56 and County 6 and Graves Landing Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota, and southeast Minnesota. Tonight, partly cloudy this evening, then becoming mostly cloudy. A chance of showers this evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour becoming light after midnight. Chance of rain 50%. For Tuesday, mostly sunny. The National Weather Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Dodge County in southeastern Minnesota until 5:15 p.m. At 4:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Northstrand, or 10 miles southeast of Northfield, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Concord around 4:35 p.m. Claremont around 4:50 p.m. Blooming Prairie around 5:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include County Roads 20 and 5, Concord, Eden, County Roads 5 and 6, Waukegan, Highway 56 and County 6 and Graves Landing Field. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Dodge, Minnesota. Damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near West Concord. The National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Anoka County, Northern Washington County, Northern Ramsey County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located and vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Shoreview, Lido Lakes, and Arden Hills around 4:30 p.m. Hugo and Batnus Heights around 4:40 p.m. Maplewood around 4:45 p.m. Oakdale, White Bear Lake, and Mononedai around 4:50 p.m. Stillwater and Lake Elmo around 5:05 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Grant, Willoughby, North St. Paul, Circle Pines, Lexington, Centerville, North Oaks, Gem Lake, Delwood, and Blaine Airport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Anoka, Ramsey, and Washington. Northeastern Steele County in south-central Minnesota, southwestern Goodhue County in southeastern Minnesota, southeastern Rice County in south-central Minnesota, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Kenyon, or 11 miles northeast of Owatonna, at 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Wind hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Steele, southwestern Goodhue, and southeastern Rice counties, including the following locations: Mullen and Rice Lake State Park, an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties: Minnesota, and Steele. A severe thunderstorm warning.
Ooh, nice one. Alright, y'all, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my Instagram. Turn on those notifications on this channel. And yeah, today's shout out goes to Caroline and Violet. They have been wanting a shout out on this channel. So there you go. Congratulations. And happy birthday, Caroline. You know, you're beautiful and amazing, and I can't wait to meet you one day. You know, fall for me. You know what I'm saying? Alright, because she's interested in me, and like, we just been really busy. So like, that's why I have not got to meet her yet. So yeah, happy birthday, Caroline. I love you. You're beautiful. You're amazing. And yeah, peace out.